Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV, and today we're gonna closer look on this very cute and pretty mini vanity. This is from the 20s collection, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna measure it. We're gonna find out what fits inside if we're gonna pack this up. We'll also find out what I think about it and if I think this is worth it. So let's get started. So first we're gonna look at the aesthetic of this very cute purse, and as you can see, it is very pretty. I'm so surprised that Chanel really did well in this. The price is so good and it is structured and well crafted in my opinion, as I didn't find any flaws as of the moment when I inspected it. And this is the chain, and the chain is really insubstantial weight, and the leather intertwine here is the same as the one that we see in Business Affinity and also from Chanel wallet on chains. And let's try to measure it now. And across it measures 4 inches. The height is like 3¼ inches, and then the width is 2 inches, so 2 inches for the width. And then let's see, the strap drops like 20 3/4 inches. Let's open it so you'll be able to know what fits inside. I really packed this very well, so it will give you an idea what will it fit. And it fits really a lot except for the cell phone. So the chain is movable from inside throughout, so you can just tie a ribbon here. If you want it shorter, you can tie a ribbon here if you want to adjust this chain on your shoulder. So again, get the items from here, and I have these Altoids, and I have an AirPod, and then I also have this hand sanitizer, and I have this Chanel lipstick and this thick hand lotion. I have this hair tie, and I have 2 cards, my credit card and my driver's license. So inside it looks like this, empty. 1 big space and 1 small space for the lipstick, and it is in burgundy cloth lining, which is very pretty. So let's try to put this back again so you'll be able to see how I placed it. So that's the lipstick, and then I put this cards at the back, and this AirPod and hand sanitizer here at the back, and then this hand lotion, which is very thick. I'll put it here. So it looks like this, and then I'll put this hair tie inside, and lastly this Altoids here on top. So it's basically fit your essentials except for your cell phone and sunglasses. And I already worn this twice, and it just makes me happy that this is structured, and I'm so happy of the price as well, as I didn't break the bank in purchasing a Chanel crossbody purse. This might be small, but you'll be surprised that it really fits a lot. I really felt like a winner in getting this little cutie, as this is really made well, and it puts a smile on my face as it is so small. And this is actually the first purse that I have that my cell phone won't fit inside, and yet I don't really mind it that much, as the rest of my essentials here except for my cell phone and maybe sunglasses on summertime. But it makes me be at peace to that, because this is just so cute. It looks so pretty on. So if you'll ask me if this is worth it for this small purse for $1,350, I would say that it's really worth it. This is a classic vanity design from Chanel, and you'll never go wrong with this. It will never go out of style, and I think this is the first time that Chanel has this mini size, and I can imagine passing this on to my granddaughter. I don't have a daughter. I have all sons, and with this cute little cutie, that made me imagine that my granddaughter will be able to enjoy this, as this is timeless, it's a classic, and it's functional. It's so cute on, and I'm just so happy that I was able to snag this mini vanity with classic chain. So let me know, guys, what you think of this, as I am so happy. You can also view my unboxing. I will link it down in the description. And now that I've been able to play with it and put stuff inside, it just makes me satisfied. And let's try to put some other things here so you'll be able to know what can fit here aside from the ones that we tried putting in earlier. So it will fit an Hermes Bastia standing up like this, and then we're gonna put this mints in here, and then let's try to put another lipstick in here so it looks like this. And then I already have 2 cards here, so let's try to put more cards. And I have 3 cards, and let's put it all in here, so total of 5 now. And let's try to see if I can put another hand sanitizer here at the back. So this is what it looks like now with the mints, Hermes Bastia, and hand sanitizer, 5 cards, and this lipstick. Since this is tiny and small, it is easy to get things in and out, or you can also put it here on each side. So when you open it, you don't have to zip it all around it. So you just have to zip it from other side like this to open it. Let's try to remove it. I have an Hermes Bastia, mints, and sanitizer, and lipstick. So this is what fits inside, and it actually fits a lot. And 5 cards that I placed it in here at the back. Surprisingly, this really fits your essentials. So I would say that this is functional if you can just put your phone at the back of your jeans pocket. So if you are a jean lover and always wear jeans, your pocket at the back is deep enough for you to put your cell phone there, and you can also put your sunglasses here. Like for example, I have this big Louis Vuitton sunglasses, so I can also like keep it in here and then wear this crossbody and put my phone at the back of my jeans, so that I can compromise if I'm gonna use this cute little purse. As I've said, this is the first time that I have this purse without my cell phone fitting inside, and I was able to make peace with that because I really love this, and the price is also so good for a Chanel crossbody purse. So guys, let me know what you think of this, and let's go ahead and do the mud shots so you'll be able to see how it is on me. I'm 5'4", and my weight is like 120 to 125 pounds. And thank you for watching, and may all of you have a wonderful day. I hope you like this video if you find it useful, and I will appreciate if you will subscribe. So I'll see you again next time.